The MiG-35, Russia's 4.5+ generation fighter, was meant to modernize the MiG-29 with improved avionics, an AESA radar, and enhanced maneuverability. In the era of Soviet Union, MiG-29 was produced to counter F-16s. MiG-29 was offered to Indian Air Force, but they selected Mirage 2000 instead. After few years, Indian government turned down IAF request and refused to induct more Mirage 2000 and finalize MiG-29 due to political reasons, without Air Force consent. However, despite its capabilities, the MiG-35 struggled to find buyers. Russia itself has only acquired limited number of aircrafts. Indian Air Force prefer Su-30 over MiG-35, although Indian Air Force and Navy using MiG-29 for last 25 years, but Indian forces not ready to induct any Russian technology. The war in Ukraine, competition from newer platforms like the Su-75, and a lack of stealth features have further hindered its appeal. With no significant export orders and overshadowed by more advanced fighters, the MiG-35 appears to be a project that has already reached a dead end. Marketed as a 4.5+ generation jet fighter, the MiG-35 is an advanced evolution of the MiG-29M, M2 and MiG-29K, KUB fighters. However, despite its superiority over older MiG-29 models, the fighter has struggled to find its place on the international market, leading experts to question the future of the new aircraft. The MiG-35's development can be traced back to the late 1980s when there were references to a design, also identified as MiG-35, a single-engine combat aircraft for air-to-air and secondary air-to-ground roles. However, the modern MiG-35 is a twin-engine aircraft that evolved from the MiG-29 series. The first prototype of the MiG-35 was a modification of the MiG-29 M2 model demonstrator, and it was officially presented internationally during the 2017 Moscow Air Show. The MiG-35 was developed to address the changing demands of aerial warfare and the need for cost-effective yet capable multi-role fighters. It was designed to bridge the gap between fourth-generation fighters and fifth-generation platforms like the Su-57. The aircraft's development included significant upgrades in avionics, radar systems, and weaponry, making it a formidable contender in the global fighter market. The fighter is powered by two RD-33MK turbofan engines, which provide a thrust of 9,000 kg-force each. These engines are smokeless and include systems that reduce infrared and optical visibility. The aircraft's maximum takeoff weight is 24,500 kg, with a maximum speed of Mach 2.25. The MiG-35 can operate at altitudes of up to 17,500 meters and has a range of 2,000 kilometers without refueling, which can be extended to 3,100 kilometers with external fuel tanks. One of the main selling points of the MiG-35 is its advanced avionics suite. The aircraft has an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, providing superior target tracking and engagement capabilities. Additionally, the MiG-35 features a uniquely designed optical locator system, which allows the aircraft to conduct independent multi-role missions without relying on ground-controlled interception systems. The MiG-35's cockpit is designed with three large liquid crystal multifunction displays, providing pilots with comprehensive situational awareness. The two-seat version, designated MiG-35UB, features four multifunction displays in the rear cockpit to distribute the workload between the two crew members. This version is capable for surveillance and bomber missions. The fighter has state-of-the-art avionics and sensor systems that significantly enhance its combat capabilities. One of the key features is the AESA radar, active electronically scanned array, which provides superior target detection, tracking, and engagement capabilities. This radar can detect and track up to 30 targets simultaneously and engage up to 6 targets simultaneously. The AESA radar offers improved resistance to electronic countermeasures and greater reliability than older radar systems. In addition to the AESA radar, the MiG-35 is fitted with an optical locator system. This system includes infrared search and track capabilities, allowing the aircraft to detect and track targets based on their heat signatures. The OLS can operate independently of the radar, providing a passive detection option that reduces the aircraft's electromagnetic footprint. The MiG-35's weapon systems are compatible with both Russian and foreign-made munitions, enhancing its appeal in the global market. The aircraft's high thrust-to-weight ratio and advanced fly-by-wire system provide exceptional maneuverability, making it a formidable opponent in dogfights. Despite its advanced capabilities, the fighter has faced challenges in gaining significant traction in both domestic and export markets. As of early 2025, only a limited number of MiG-35s have been commissioned into service with the Russian aerospace forces. Although serial production of the aircraft is reportedly supposed to start this year, the aircraft's lack of stealth features, essential for modern and future warfare, has limited its competitiveness against fifth-generation platforms. Export prospects for the MiG-35 have also been tepid, with potential buyers opting for European, Chinese, or other Russian alternatives. Even Russia's closer ally, India, has decided against acquiring the MiG-35. The ongoing war in Ukraine has further complicated the production and fulfillment of export contracts. Additionally, developing newer medium-weight fighters with next-generation capabilities, such as the Su-75 Checkmate, has overshadowed the MiG-35's prospects. Currently, Peru, Myanmar, and Vietnam have expressed interest in acquiring the aircraft, but no official orders have been placed. The Mikoyan MiG-35 represents a significant advancement in Russian multi-role fighter technology, building on the legacy of the MiG-29 series. With its advanced avionics, versatile weapon systems, and exceptional maneuverability, the platform is a formidable aircraft in its own right. However, the challenges it faces in terms of market acceptance and competition from newer platforms highlight the rapidly evolving nature of modern aerial warfare. The future of the fighter remains uncertain. With very little international interest, the new aircraft seems to have limited space only in Russian aerospace forces.